In this rapidly changing and interconnected age, we are venturing into unfamiliar terrain where the predictable is continuously disrupted by the unexpected. Our world remains in a constant state of flux, driven by the relentless progress of technology, shifts in socio-economic dynamics, and pressing environmental concerns. As we unite on this transformative expedition, let us explore the profound importance of adaptability and innovation as the bedrock of thriving in this dynamic environment. Together, we will discover the essential elements to reimagine our strategies and forge a path towards a prosperous and sustainable future. Welcome to the Mindful Motivation Station. Our channel is all about embracing adaptability and innovation in a rapidly changing world. We explore the significance of staying flexible and creative to thrive amidst uncertainties. Join us for inspiring discussions, engaging interviews, and hands-on experiences that will empower you to reimagine strategies and overcome challenges. Collectively, let's unlock the secrets to success and create a prosperous future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and embark on this empowering journey with us. In our contemporary world where the pace of change seems to accelerate with each passing moment, the ability to adapt is not just a desirable trait, but an indispensable skill for survival. The traditional linear planning model, which once provided a reliable roadmap for progress, now finds itself inadequate to navigate the uncharted waters of the 21st century. The rapid changes and disruptions that have unfolded in recent times call for a paradigm shift in how we approach uncertainty. Rather than persisting in the illusion of complete control and predictability, we must embrace the very essence of unpredictability as an opportunity for growth and evolution. Our journey towards success is no longer a predefined path set in stone. It is an agile and dynamic exploration of possibilities. It is about learning to dance with the ever-changing rhythm of the world, adapting our steps in harmony with the fluidity of the environment around us. To embrace the unpredictable is to recognize that rigidity and stubbornness are no longer viable options. We need to foster a mindset of adaptability, one that allows us to pivot and readjust our strategies in real time as new insights and data emerge. This requires a willingness to let go of preconceived notions and to be open to new ways of thinking. It is about acknowledging that plans may need to be rewritten and expectations might need to be reshaped as circumstances evolve. In a world that constantly throws us curveballs, adaptability becomes more than a reactive response. It is a proactive approach to thrive amidst change. It is the art of embracing the unknown with confidence, viewing it not as a hurdle to overcome, but as a fertile ground for innovation and creativity. By welcoming uncertainty, we liberate ourselves from the fear of the unknown and step into the realm of endless possibilities. As we cultivate the flexibility to adapt, we discover that our journey becomes a continuous process of learning and growth. We become adept at turning challenges into opportunities, using unexpected events as stepping stones towards progress. Our resilience becomes a force that propels us forward, enabling us to navigate the turbulent waters with grace and tenacity. In this fast-paced and interconnected global environment, adaptability is not just a nice-to-have skill. It is the very essence of survival and success. It empowers us to embrace change with courage and optimism, knowing that in every uncertainty lies a chance for transformation and greatness. So let us be bold in our embrace of the unpredictable, for it is in this embrace that we discover our true potential to thrive amidst the ever-changing tides of life. In the constantly evolving landscape of our fast-paced world, adaptability alone falls short in ensuring sustained progress. To truly thrive and leave a profound impact, we must harness the unmatched power of innovation. Innovation acts as the catalyst that propels us forward, empowering us to explore uncharted territories and surpass the ordinary. At its core, innovation calls for a departure from the familiar, a willingness to step outside our comfort zone and challenge the status quo. It requires us to question conventional thinking and break free from the constraints of traditional approaches. Embracing innovation means daring to explore uncharted territories where creativity and ingenuity flourish. Yet, innovation is not a reckless pursuit of novelty, but a calculated endeavor. It demands the courage to take risks, to push the boundaries of what we once believed possible, and to embrace failure as an inevitable stepping stone to success. By navigating the unexplored with both audacity and prudence, we cultivate a mindset that is open to experimentation and unafraid of ambiguity. In today's landscape, innovation is not a solitary endeavor, but a collaborative journey. The richness of diverse perspectives and interdisciplinary collaboration fuels the birth of groundbreaking ideas. An inclusive culture of creativity invites individuals from all walks of life to come together, contributing their unique insights and experiences to the collective pool of innovation. To harness the full potential of innovation, we must nurture a spirit of curiosity within ourselves. Curiosity ignites the spark of exploration, encouraging us to question assumptions, challenge norms, and seek unconventional solutions. By approaching problems with fresh eyes and an insatiable thirst for knowledge, we pave the way for transformative breakthroughs. As we embark on the journey of innovation, we must create environments that inspire and empower. Encouraging risk-taking and celebrating experimentation foster an atmosphere where innovative thinking is not only welcomed but celebrated. It is through such empowerment that we unlock the full potential of human ingenuity. In harnessing the power of innovation, we transcend the barriers of what was once thought impossible. We reimagine what can be accomplished and usher in a brighter future, one that marries adaptability and innovation to tackle the challenges of our time. Let us seize this opportunity to unleash the boundless creative energy within us, forging a path to solve problems in ways we have never before imagined. Together we can create a world where innovation thrives and the solutions to our most pressing issues lie within reach. In any discussion about adaptability and innovation, we cannot overlook the profound impact of technology on shaping the world around us. Technology acts as a powerful catalyst for change, revolutionizing how we work, live, and interact with one another. It has become the driving force behind the transformations that define our modern era. The rapid advancements in technologies like artificial intelligence, automation, blockchain, and beyond are reshaping industries and opening up new possibilities for growth and progress. These technologies have the potential to streamline processes, increase efficiency, and create unprecedented opportunities for innovation across various sectors. However, we must also recognize that with the immense power that technology bestows upon us comes an equally significant responsibility. As we embrace these advancements, it is crucial to approach them with a human-centered perspective. We must be mindful of the ethical implications that accompany technological progress and consider the potential impact on society and the environment. A human-centered approach to technology means ensuring that innovation is not solely driven by profit motives or the pursuit of efficiency at all costs. Instead, it should prioritize human well-being, inclusivity, and sustainability. By placing people at the heart of technological development, we can strive for a future that benefits all members of society, regardless of their background or circumstances. As we navigate this rapidly evolving technological landscape, it is essential to keep in mind that technology is a tool and its potential for positive change is only limited by our collective imagination and values. We must actively engage in conversations and deliberations that shape the direction of technology to ensure it aligns with our broader goals as a global community. To employ the full potential of technology in driving change, collaboration and cooperation between various stakeholders are essential. Governments, businesses, communities, and individuals must work together to create an ecosystem that fosters innovation while safeguarding against any unintended negative consequences. Ultimately, the role of technology in driving change should be one that empowers us to build a more inclusive, sustainable, and equitable future. It offers the potential to bridge gaps, amplify voices, and address pressing global challenges, from climate change to socio-economic inequality. As we continue to embrace the opportunities presented by technology, let us do so with a conscious effort to prioritize humanity. By utilizing technology with a human-centered approach, we can create a future that leverages innovation to uplift and empower all individuals, leaving no one behind in the journey towards progress. In our relentless pursuit of adaptability and innovation, failure emerges as an inevitable companion on the road to success. While the fear of failure may initially hold us back, shifting our perspective allows us to recognize its true significance as a crucial element of the learning process. Failure, far from being a dead end, serves as a stepping stone that provides us with invaluable feedback and insights. In a world that often glorifies success and shies away from acknowledging failures, it is essential to break free from the stigma surrounding them. Embracing failure as a natural part of growth enables us to extract vital lessons from each setback we encounter. These lessons, in turn, become the building blocks of improvement and progress. One of the most significant benefits of embracing failure is the iterative process it engenders. By treating failure as a platform for learning, we can iterate, refine, and fine-tune our approaches. With each iteration, we move closer to finding better, more effective solutions to the challenges we face. In this way, failure becomes a powerful catalyst that fuels the journey towards success. To foster a culture that encourages learning from failure, we must create an environment that values experimentation and celebrates resilience. When individuals feel empowered to take risks and embrace the possibility of failure, they are more likely to push the boundaries of what is possible. This culture of experimentation becomes a breeding ground for innovation, where fresh ideas can flourish without the fear of immediate judgment. Moreover, learning from failure is not just about addressing the end result. It is about understanding the process leading up to it. By analyzing the journey and identifying potential pitfalls, we gain a deeper understanding of the underlying causes of failure. This insight arms us with the knowledge to navigate similar challenges in the future more effectively. When setbacks occur, it is essential not to be disheartened or discouraged. Instead, we should view them as valuable opportunities for growth and evolution. By reframing our mindset to embrace the lessons inherent in failure, we strengthen our resilience, enabling us to bounce back stronger and more determined than ever before. Learning from failure and embracing iteration are integral parts of the path towards adaptability and innovation. By transforming our perception of failure from a deterrent to a stepping stone, we unlock its true potential as a powerful teacher. As we cultivate a culture that fosters experimentation and learning from mistakes, we foster an environment ripe for progress and breakthroughs. So let us fearlessly embrace the challenges that come our way, for it is through these challenges that we evolve and progress, ultimately shaping a brighter and more resilient future. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey at the Mindful Motivation Station. Together, we've delved into the profound importance of adaptability, the driving force of innovation, and the valuable lessons we learn from failure. As we navigate this fast-paced and interconnected world, we've uncovered the keys to thriving in a dynamic landscape. Embracing uncertainty, challenging norms, and using setbacks as stepping stones to success are the hallmarks of our community. At the Mindful Motivation Station, we foster a culture of creativity and resilience, collaborating to pursue innovative solutions and welcome change. If you're passionate about embracing growth, seeking innovative paths, and transforming obstacles into opportunities, we invite you to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Be a part of our community. Together, let's embrace a future filled with adaptability, innovation, and progress as we navigate the ever-changing world with confidence and determination.